Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome everyone to the last and the final segment of Who Wants to Be the Best Reciter Now. So I want many of you calling in, lots and lots of you calling in, because the more people we get, the harder it becomes for me to choose the best person, the best reciter, to go to the Q Factor, one of the rounds, most probably the elimination rounds. And the Q Factor, inshallah, because as you know, the Q Factor, hopefully you will see the promo on screen very soon, will start next month, beginning of the month on a Friday, because normally we start the Q Factor on a Friday until towards the end, then it goes towards the weekend. So the Q Factor in the beginning, of course, you know, it's the live call-in auditions where you will be calling in. The judges here in the studios will be taking your calls and listening to your reading, listening to your recitations, and hopefully choosing which person can go far, can go very far in the competition, can go to the end in the competition. So those people will be chosen and put through to the elimination rounds, inshallah, one of the weeks in the elimination rounds. So that starts next week. But from now, from this very segment, Who Wants to Be the Best Reciter, what I have done, I decided to link the last segment on a Friday with the Q Factor. So the more people we get calling in, the more people we can put through, and the competition, of course, then gets more tougher, it gets more exciting, and it means you have to compete, of course, with one another, and you have to invest a lot of effort into your reading, into your melody, into making the reading and the recitation perfect. So that part is the most exciting part. And so the number is on the screen for those people who want to come through now on Who Wants to Be the Best Reciter. I am waiting for calls to come in. Anyone can call, no adults, of course, any children, any teenager can call in and you could read. We have a caller. Let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
जी मिसेस बेगम, ये अभी
जी बच्चियां ने सुनाना
सबक नहीं, अभी ये कंपटीशन है, ये क्यू फैक्टर के साथ ताल्लुक है इसका, तो अब मैं सबक नहीं सुन सकता।
ठीक है
सबक इंशाल्लाह मंडे को करें,
क्योंकि मैं पहले नहीं देखा, मैं
नहीं कोई बात नहीं जी, कोई बात नहीं, मंडे को कॉल करें, ठीक है। आप मिसेस बेगम जो है वो सुबह शाम कॉल कर सकती है, आप बच्चों को लेके, खुद her children, they are at home, फ्रांस से कॉल करती है, so आप जो है सुबह शाम दोनों टाइम्स में बच्चों के साथ, बच्चों समेत आप कॉल कीजिएगा इंशाल्लाह, and I will definitely take your calls. But other than Mrs. Begum, everyone else, all other iqratv.iqrauk callers, viewers, take this opportunity to call in and to read, so that you can be part of the Q Factor for this year, so you can go in one of the rounds, because the prize, the award, the prize that you will be winning, the winner will be winning. Believe in me, I can assure you, you will not be disappointed. And but I don't want to reveal it. Most probably you might know, but it's changed a bit in terms of who we are giving the prize to. Is it just the winner, or is there other people as well? So yes, you will have to wait and see what the prize is, and that you will find out as soon as the promo is launched and aired on Iqra TV, inshallah. In fact, the promo will be on both channels, Iqra TV and also on Iqra Bangla. Both the channels the promo will run. And ideally, what I want from you, the viewers and the callers, is to make more viewers callers. That's what I want. More people that watch, they have to become callers. They have to call the show and be part of the show and earn the hasanat, because it's Quran, and by reading Quran, for every letter we are rewarded. Prophet ﷺ mentions for every letter we are rewarded. Let's see who we have with us for this segment who wants to be the best reciter. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sharif, Mia, you've already read in this segment.
Okay.
Because it's who wants to be the best reciter. You've read last week. I've got your name here, and you are through to the Q Factor 1 of the elimination rounds.
Okay. Which round?
Pardon?
Which round?
Which?
Which round?
What do you mean?
No. Which round am I in the Q Factor?
Oh, you will be in the elimination rounds.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't need to call in. All you need to do is wait for the team, the IQRA team, to call you. You don't need to call in now.
Okay.
I mean, you can call in other days.
Yeah.
You can call in other days, but you don't need to call into who wants to be the best reciter segment. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sharif Mia, anxious to read. Next caller. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. G caller, assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Samaya,
Yeah.
what will you be reading?
From Alif Lam Mim.
From the beginning, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. When you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن الناس سفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
Okay, let's stop there.
Okay.
Now, Sumaya, wait. Don't go anywhere. Now, look, you know what? You deserve to go round. You deserve to be in the Q Factor, yeah?
Yeah.
From the elimination. So I'm going to tick you because you deserve to be in the but. There's a big but. You really have to slow down on your reading because it's way too fast, number one.
Okay.
And because you're fast, you're missing out some vital rules, i.e. ghunna. You're missing out nearly all the ghunnas. Missing out in the sense you're not making proper ghunna. And the other thing is lengthening the mudud. Because you're reading fast, you're not making the mudud long. You are not lengthening the letters where there are signs of mud.
Okay.
So you're really going to have to slow down. You know, if the starting Huruf al-muqatta'at, for example, alif, you read alif lam mim. That's a no-go zone. You can't do that. It's alif lam mim. Do you understand?
Okay.
That's how you have to read it. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna let you go through. I will let you go through to the Q factor in the elimination round because I know how good you are. But I just think you rushed that piece of reading. So now you will be contacted, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, you can call obviously at all other days for reading, but for the Q factor you will not need to do anything. You're through, and the team will keep your number. The team that is sitting here, they will hold on to your number and they will contact you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Sumaya. Welcome. Congratulations. Al salam. We'll go through to the next caller. Ji, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hamza,
Yeah.
how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm very well, Hamza. What are you going to read?
I'm going to read Surah Rahman.
Surah Ar-Rahman.
Yeah.
Okay, you can start, yeah?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنات ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Okay, Hamza, let me stop you there again.
Okay.
You're one of those callers that deserve to be in the competition. There is no doubt in that, and I am sure everyone will agree with me. Very good reading indeed. But again, you got to be, because I know how good you are. Sometimes you are clumsy in your reading. And for example, فيها فاكهة والنخل, the word والنخل, you totally missed out.
Okay.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
You got to be more careful if you're in I'm going to put you through to the next round in the Q factor. So you're in the Q factor. The team, we have your phone number, and they will contact you in good time so that you are aware in which week will you be calling to compete against other inshallah contestants. Okay, so congratulations to you, Hamza, for calling in. But listen, you got to be stay on hold, Hamza, and I hope you've got Sumaya's number as well. Stay on hold, and hopefully your number will be taken from you. Now these lot read very, very well indeed, and mashallah, excellent contestants indeed. There can be no doubt. Now, all I want is those people that do call in to be more serious, practice more, because in the competition it will be harder. You will be required to read for a certain amount of time, and you cannot rush the reading. It's going to be read slowly and making sure all the rules are applied. Have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy the weekend, and I will see you all next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.